Little Dodge Magnum all over for Father's Day. Got done spraying it about 35 minutes ago, 40 minutes ago now. Still a little residual in here. A little bit of dirt in the hood, but it'll buff out just fine. Sides came out really sweet. This is that prime clear. High gloss 4:1. Looks pretty darn good. The two bumpers, both sides of the car. Wasn't supposed to do the hood, but I did it anyway because the hood looked pretty bad, so I figured that's the centerpiece of the car. So I'll knock that hood down with some 2000, get the dust out of it, and she should look pretty good. Maybe hit the sides above the moldings, but not too bad. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. The clear's pretty decent. You can see a little dust nibs, but it's pretty dusty in here. Pretty dusty. Nothing special. No prep work. Floor's not wet. Still got all the 80 grit dust on that. So it's one of those things. Guy brought it Friday afternoon. Needed an all over, so I said, yeah, sure. Not really doing anything this weekend. I'll do this. So I knocked this out. Basically a scuff and shoot. It had a bad paint job on it that the sun had tore up, so hit it with some 320, went back over it with some 400, and then Scotch sprayed it with some Comet, and let it rip. So it's pretty good. I used a pint, a color on it. I based it with some black, and then went over it with a pint of Omni for the base, and then the prime for the clear. That's pretty good. I got a bumper or something coming in tomorrow. We'll do a little video of that. All overs are hard to record. Gets a little foggy, and you get a little sweaty. It's just a lot to try to keep up with. If I have to cut this off, I let it flow out really nice. I don't want to have to buff anything on the sides too much. I expected the hood would have to be buffed, but no big deal. Anyway, looks pretty good. So tomorrow, I'll bring you this one because it's probably going to go bye-bye in the before the next video, and we'll bring the next one to you. We'll do it together. Found a camera stand so we can get a little more set up. I don't have to shake you to death next time. I want to say Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. There's another reason I wanted to make this video. Hope you're having a good day, enjoying the day off, and hope you got to spend it with your family. And yeah, I'll probably take Haley. Maybe we're gonna go out to dinner here in a little bit. She went with one of her friends somewhere, but she'll be back. And Andrea is at a chocolate show in Fort Myers, and she's on her way home, her and Holly. And I got a text from Hans, said Happy Father's Day, so not too bad of a day. Till tomorrow, though, you guys make the best of it. Get out there and push that record button. And thanks for commenting on the videos. I don't always answer the comments, but I read every single one of them, usually more than once.